What's going on, boys? Got another one for you. I enjoyed playing Halloween 2 so much I figured I'd try out the first one. By Martine and Damien. Still on that road to 50 subs, boys. Make sure you go down there, like, share, subscribe. Let's get into it. I played that one first. Oh, there's old boy right there. Alright. There's a key right there. Go ahead and pick that up real quick. Oh, hey. Nice. Okay. Is there anything else I can pick up? Yeah, give me that too. Going on, boy. Yellow. Yellow. I think you got the wrong number. Send Tommy to sleep. Tommy boy! Time to turn that shit off, go to bed. In your astronaut costume. Close open windows. Close that one. And that one. Got some open ones up here. There we go. Is Tommy in there? Is he dead? Tommy! Yeah, he's moving a little bit. He's alright. He's a strange one. Oh! Tommy watching some boring shit. Got some beer and some Jaeger. Oh shoot. Well, boys outside. Better stay out there. Oh shit. Restore the power from the basement. The hell? It's gotta be one of these, right? Okay. Oh, Tommy, what the frick? Scared the hell out of me, boy. The hell do you want? How in the hell did you even get out here? Go back to bed, boy. Oh, yeah. Key doesn't belong there. What the hell? It's got to be one of those doors upstairs. It's got to. Tommy, you better be better. I'm gonna beat your ass, boy. Tommy! Oh. Fair enough. You can hide in there, I guess. I'm gonna leave your door open, though, just in case. Hey, there we go. Alright, we got this key here. Stuck. No. Why do you have all your inside doors locked anyway? That take keys, no less. Think old girl's a little paranoid. Tommy, I'm gonna go outside and check the cellar. Better not fucking move. Alright, let's try this key out here. Oh yeah, there we go. Hey, there's another key. Alright, let's turn this power back on. Oh shit. Fuck that. Fuck that. Oh, there's old boy right there. Dumbass. Alright, so we got another key. It's got to be one of those doors upstairs for sure. Hopefully Tommy's still hiding. I ain't scared. Objective: kill Michael Myers. Oh shit. Come here, boy. Yeah, I'm just gonna give old boy the slip here. Come here. Yep, come on. Come here. Oh. Come on. Frick. Come on. Where you at? I'm calling you out. Oh, shit. I didn't even see him. Come here. Oh, now he's scared because I got a gun. Come here. Come here. Come on. There you go. Come here. Yeah, come on. Oh shit. Reload! Reload! Let's go, boys! Woo! That's how you do it right there. That's right. Oh shit! Tommy! I don't think I have any more ammo. Are you doing alright, Tommy? I think I have 2 more shots. I think that's what that means. Come here, I'm calling you out! Oh, you gotta be... Man, how many shots that boy take? Where are we at? Is there not a... Frick. Dumbass. Alright, so we got ammo. We gotta go back. We gotta go back to the master bedroom, get that gun. God, I'm pretty sure I hit him every time. I know I really should invest in those home defense rounds. Frick. I ain't scared. Oh yeah. Thought I saw him there through the window. Come here. I'm gonna give my boy the slip again. Come on. See you, nerd. Alright, let's haul ass. Come on. Yeah, there ain't any more ammo in here or anything. Where you at? I'm calling you out. Oh shit. Run. Alright. get him back in there so I can see him better. Make sure I hit every shot. Come here! Come on! Come here! Oh yeah. Reload! Whew! Alright, we know old boy's still breathing. Oh! What the hell? Alright, I got 2 more shots. There's not any more ammo or anything? Come on. Tommy, don't worry! Alright, here we go. Come on, 2 to the dome should do it right here. What? No way, dude. Oh, there's more ammo. Let's go, boys. Yes, pick that up, dumbass. Come on. I'm ready for you now. Come here. Come on. It's time to finish this. Woo! I think we got him for good now, boys. One more to make sure. Whew. Had me sweating. Damien and Martine make some good Halloween games. I'll give them that for sure. Second game, Halloween 2. Alright. Don't forget, boys, on that road to 50 subs, don't forget to go down there, like, share, subscribe. Daily uploads. Can't forget that. On to the next one. See you, boys.